Hello my students, welcome back to your physics class. Now I teach you addition and subtraction in scientific notation. Okay, we studied scientific notation in previous class or previous records. We study scientific notation. Now addition and subtraction in scientific notation we will study. Okay, suppose here we have two scientific notation, a1 times 10 to the power of n plus or minus a2 times 10 to the power of n. We have two scientific notation numbers and how to add or subtract these two numbers. Okay, first of all, we add or subtract a1 positive or minus a2. We take factor. We take factor 10 to the power of n. Okay, you said in mathematics that we have exponent laws. We follow in addition and subtraction in scientific notation, we follow the exponent laws. Okay, like this. A1 plus or minus a2 10 to the power of n. Okay, here we have some more examples I will do for you. You will learn better. Okay, here we have two scientific number. 2 times 10 to the power of 6 plus 5 times 10 to the power of 6. You know the exponent is what? Exponent is the same. We take factor. Here we have take factor what? 10 to the power of 6. And now we add to 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. Okay, is equal, tell me, 7 plus 7 times 10 to the power of 6. This is your answer. Okay, 7 times 10 to the power of 6. Now come to next example. 3.4 times 10 to the power of minus 10 minus 2.3 times 10 to the power of minus 10. Also, you know that the exponent is the same. We take 10 to the power of minus 10. Okay, we take factor 10 to the power of minus 10, and then we subtract 3.4 minus 2.3. Now, okay, you know you can subtract two numbers. Okay, 4 subtract 3 is equal to 1. We put decimal point here, and 3. Okay, tell me 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 times what? 10 to the power of minus 10. This is your answer. Okay, example number 3. Here you know that we have also, it means we have two scientific number. Okay, how to add this number? First of all, you see the exponents is the same. We take factor 10 to the power of 20, and now we add two number. 8.47 plus 6 times 6. Now we add two numbers. Okay, here we have 7. Tell me, my students. Also we have 10. Okay, here we have 14, we have 1, okay, 14, okay, 15. Okay, 15.07 times 10 to the power of 20. This is not our answer. Why? Because it is not scientific notation. Okay, now we change this number to scientific notation. Okay, this decimal point. Okay, we move decimal point into left. Okay, here we have 1.507 times 10 to the power of 20. 21. Why? Because we move to the left and we have we add one number. It means 20, we have 21. This is our answer. Okay, question number 4. I will solve these questions. You see that the exponent is not equal. Okay, how to solve these questions, my students? First of all, we make the exponents equal. It means 4, 5, we make it this equal. Now I will change this number to scientific notation. Okay, here we have this is a decimal point. I move the decimal point to the left, and here we have 8.4 times 10 to the power of 5. It is 4. We left one digit. It is we add one number, become what? 5 minus 3.4 times 10 to the power of 5. Now you see that exponent become equal. Okay, now we take factor 10 to the power of 5, and then we subtract number. 8 times 4 minus 3.4. Okay, what's the answer, my students? Okay, here we have 0, and we put decimal point here, and also 8 subtract 3 is 5, then the power of that 5. This is our answer. My students, I told you before about addition and subtraction in scientific notation. Okay, now I tell you multiplication and division in scientific notation. Okay, when we have two scientific number, how to multiply or how to divide two scientific number, I will tell you. Here we have two scientific number. Okay, how to multiply this one? We multiply numbers and then we follow the exponent laws. Okay, 10. Okay, we take 110 and we add exponent. It means n1 plus n2. Here we have two scientific number that we want to divide to scientific number. Okay, first we divide numbers and then we minus exponents. Okay, you know the exponent laws. Okay, here look at some examples. Here we have two numbers. Okay, we want to multiply two scientific number. Okay, first we multiply number. Okay, 2 times 4. Okay, we take, it means 110 and then we add exponent. 6 times 4. Okay, 2 times 4 is equal to 8 and then 10 to the power of 10. This is our answer. Okay, now example number 2. Here also we have two numbers. First of all, we multiply number 3.4 times 5.2. Okay, times 10 to the power of. Here we have minus 8 plus 10. Okay, we multiply this number. The answer is 17.68 times 10 to the power of. What's the answer here? Minus 8 plus 10 is equal to 2. Okay, this is our answer. This is our answer. I think it's not our answer because it is not scientific number. Okay, now we should change this number in scientific notation because it is bigger than the 10. Then scientific number, the number should not be bigger than 10. Okay, how to change this number? We move one digit decimal point, 1.768 times 10 to the power of 3. This is our final answer. Okay, come to next example. Okay, here also we have two numbers that we want to divide these two numbers. Okay, first of all we divide numbers. 8.4 divided by 4.2 times 10 to the power of 12 minus. Here we have minus here, and also we have this minus the minus. Okay, this sign is the exponent number. Okay, we divided this number 8 times 4 divided by 4 times 0.2 is equal to how many? Okay, tell me the answer, my students. Okay, 2.2 times 10 to the power of 12 plus 8, 2.2 10 to the power of 20. Okay, comes to the next example. Here we have also two numbers. We divided first numbers. 3.9 divided by 3.3 times 10 to the power of -5 minus 7. Okay, what is the answer here? 1.3 10 to the power of -5 plus, okay, minus times minus become positive, 7, and 1 times 3 10 to the power of 2. This is our answer. Okay, these are all about multiplication and division in scientific notation. Okay, my students, if you have any questions, okay, try to comment below, and see you next time. Okay, study more, practice more to learn better physics.